Hello guys, welcome back. So last video, that is video number 3 में we were discussing independent directors and all different clauses related to him. So 149 subsection 6 was divided into 6 different clauses. उसमें we are done with clause number A, clause number B and clause number C. Now we have to discuss other 3 clauses, that is D, E and F. F का थोड़ा बहुत I have already discussed with clause number A, but still we will go through, sir. Now, so before I take up clause number D, a quick recap of what we have done till now, sir. So can I say we have understood under 149 subsection 6 कि 3 types of people will never become what, sir? Independent director. Who are those, sir? MD, WTD and nominee directors. Reason we have already discussed. Next, sir, then we have seen clause number A saying that a person who is getting appointed as an independent director, we will be searching 3 things, sir. What are those? He should be a man of integrity, he should possess relevant expertise and he should have experience. And all these things should be in the opinion of what, bacha? Board of directors. And we also concluded that this experience or expertise should be related to company ka business operations. Then clause number B में we have seen that कि a promoter of a company के ऊपर, that is nothing but holding, company के नीचे, that is nothing but subsidiary, company के बाजू, that is nothing but associate. So that person, promoter, cannot become what you say independent director, sir. Then we have seen any person who is not related to promoters or any person who is not related to directors in what C, what you say, C, कंपनी के ऊपर, कंपनी के नीचे, कंपनी के बाजू. सर वी वांट दैट टाइप ऑफ ए पर्सन, बट इफ ए पर्सन इज रिलेटेड टू डीपी, है ना, देन दैट पर्सन कैन नॉट बिकम व्हाट, बच्चा? इंडिपेंडेंट डायरेक्टर, सर. Did we see any years here? Answer is no, sir. है ना? So we were talking about promoters and then we were talking about what, sir? Person who is not related to. Then we have clause number C. So we have understood in clause number C कि we are discussing with pecuniary transaction, मतलब monetary relationship or you can say business relationship we are talking about, sir. So a person who is getting appointed, sir, if he is having PR with whom, sir? C and then we have H, then we have S and then we have A. Sir, only this? No, we discussed that even these people plus DP, sir. इसका मतलब इसका डायरेक्टर, इसका प्रमोटर, डायरेक्टर, प्रमोटर, डायरेक्टर, प्रमोटर, डायरेक्टर, प्रमोटर, सर. So if at all you are having such pecuniary relationship either with C, either with H, either with S, either with A or unka directors or promoters, then also you are disqualified to become what you say independent director. However, we gave one small exception, sir. As a director, you can receive normal remuneration, not at all a problem. And even if you are having pecuniary transaction, we will be seeing that if that value is not that big enough. Now, what is that big enough, sir? 10% of his total income. So if you are having a pecuniary relationship with the company and which is only 10% or less, then that is allowed, not at all a problem. Now, sir, if you have gone through these wordings properly, you find a word pecuniary relationship and you find a word transaction. Is there any difference between them or both are one and the same, sir? Now, remember, sir, relationship matlab they are continuous transaction. Sir, transaction matlab it is a single transaction. Or you can say series of transactions if you perform, then that will become what, bacha? Relationship. Individual transaction you perform, then that is nothing but transaction, sir. So even if it is an individual thing or series of thing, what we have to see is whether it is 10% of his total income for that financial year. If it is up to 10%, then no problem. If it is more than 10%, then that person is disqualified. Now, so let's start today's agenda. Now, before I discuss anything, sir, there are n number of interpretation issues. You will be finding different faculties have interpreted clause D and clause E in a different manner. Maybe another faculty from whom you have taken the classes and now what I am going to utter may be contrasting, and maybe that answer and my answer will not match, sir. But thing is, do not try to conclude me immediately, sir. Try to listen to my interpretation. Still, if you feel that there are some issues, you can always get back to me. But I have tried my level best putting my example into the situations, and I feel that they should be interpreted in this fashion, sir. Okay, now sir, again, if you remember, wherever highlighted yellow text is there, that means their interpretation issues will definitely come, sir. Okay, so let us start clause number D, sir. So we are discussing 149 subsection 6, उसमें क्लॉज डी. So 149 subsection 6, उसमें clause D, and उसमें we are discussing sub clause number 1. Now, sir, what is the speciality of clause number D? Sir, speciality of clause number D is a person who is getting appointed. A person who is getting appointed, what we have to check is his relative. किसका relative? Person who is getting appointment का relative, sir. So this person का relative, so he is relative. So we can say he is Mr. A and he is Mr. R. So अगर R is performing, अगर R is violating, you can say, clause 1, then A cannot become independent director. इसका मतलब काम कर रहा कोई और है, भुगत रहा कोई और है. मतलब you will be suffering not because of your deeds, because of your relatives deeds, sir. So here your relative is making you disqualified from becoming an independent director. So what we are searching for, sir, in clause number D, your relative should fulfill all those sub clauses. How many are there, sir? Sub clause 1, sub clause 2, sub clause 3, sub clause 4. Agar your relative does not fulfill either of the sub clause, it means you are disqualified to become an independent director. Sir, till now, if you remember, clause A, clause B, clause C में we were only looking your transaction, your affairs with the company. But in this clause, we are least bothered about your transaction or your affairs with the company. Sir, we will be considering here your relative, sir. So if your relative does violate any of these sub clauses, then it means you cannot be appointed as an independent director, sir. I hope this point is clear, sir. Okay, so let us see. So here, if you can see the opening lines, none of whose relative, मतलब a person will become an independent director if none of whose relative, then you have to read this point, sir. None of whose relative, what, sir, is holding what? Any security or interest where? In the company, in its associate, in its subsidiary, in its holding. When? During the year also and immediately preceding 2 financial years also. Now, sir, so what are the points we have understood, sir? Here we are discussing with what, बच्चा? Security. मतलब अगर person who is getting appointed, उसका relative is holding what? Security or holding what? Interest. Where? In the company, or uska holding, or uska associate, or sorry, here we can write subsidiary, or uska associate. It means you are disqualified to become what, bacha? Independent director, sir. Where? In all the 4 companies, sir. So if your relative is holding in C, that is company, then it means you cannot be appointed in C, you cannot be appointed in H, you cannot be appointed in S, you cannot be appointed in associate also, sir. Clear hai, bacha? Now, sir, up to what extent we will be seeing this, sir, for current year also and last 2 years also? Is this point clear or not, sir? Yes. Sir, here we are having some exception. Here we are having some exceptions. Now, what are the exceptions we are talking about, sir? A relative may hold. Wow. So can I say, इधर तक तो लॉ मेकर्स बहुत सख्त थे, है ना? They were very very rigid, saying that ना बाबा ना, you should not hold any security. But इधर वो लोग पिघल गए, है ना? सर इधर वो लोग पिघल गए, सर. Now they are saying what, sir? Yes, you can hold what, बच्चा? Security. So what they are saying, sir? The relative may hold security or interest. Okay, hold on, sir. Security मतलब क्या, sir? Can I say securities is having a very wide interpretation. It includes your equity share capital, preference share capital, debentures. So security is the word we are talking about, sir. And second, we are having a word called interest. Now, can I say there are some companies which do not have share capital, like company limited by guarantee? Sir, there we will be talking about interest. So instead of the word security, you will be replacing that word with interest, sir. Is this point clear? Now, sir, the relative may hold security or interest. Where? Lawmakers, what did you do? In the company, they have used the word in the company. Sir, provision may they have used the word CASH. Matlab, here they have said company also, associate also, subsidiary also, holding also. But here they are using a word in the company. Okay, no problem. So you may hold, you matlab what, sir? Relative. Relative may hold what? Security or interest. Where? In the company. And even if he is holding, you will not be disqualified. Okay, let's see more further. How much, sir? Not exceeding 50 lakhs. Iska matlab 50 lakhs or less tak he can hold. Okay, sir, up to here, if they would have written and kept full stop, there would have been no issues. But issues really starts from here. Or 2% of the paid up capital of cash. Wow, matlab 2% of company, 2% of associate, 2% of subsidiary, 2% of holding, or such higher sum as may be prescribed. You can strike it off, sir. This amount is not yet prescribed. So whenever it is prescribed, we will look into it. But aaj ki tarikh mein, you have to only look for 2%, sir. Now, sir, tell me, sir, what lawmakers are trying to do here? See, generally when I teach law, and one thing which I don't like is criticizing the lawmakers, sir. But there are some areas where if I don't give constructive criticism, student will never be able to understand what is the logic behind this provision, sir. Sir, if at all you can see here, if I interpret like this, relative may hold kitna 50 lakhs or less, where? In the company. Then relative may hold kitna 2%, where? CASH. Sir, up to here, so it is okay. Now 2% in the company, 50 lakhs you are saying, sir. How this will happen, sir? Now imagine a scenario. You may have a company, say for example, sir, with 40 lakhs paid up capital only, sir. Then what will happen, sir? This will never come. 2% will come, sir. Agreed or not, sir? You may have a company with 500 crores as a capital, sir. 2% will be always more than 50 lakhs, sir. Don't you think there will be an interpretation issue? So here, what is my, what do you say, how to bring harmony here, sir? Sir, better interpretation would be, in provision also he has used a word cash, in 2% also he has used a word cash. So instead of in the company, it will always be advisable if you replace this with cash. Matlab, 50 lakhs you can hold in company, 50 lakhs you can hold in upar, niche, baju, or 2% we will compare, whichever is okay, we will compare. Then next interpretation issues is, he has given you two limits, sir. Neither he said whichever is higher, nor he said whichever is lower. Now again there is a problem, sir. Sir, now chances are very bright, sir. 50 lakhs sometimes maybe, what you say, more than 2% also, sir. 2% can be more than 50 lakhs also. So can I say this can be again a problem, sir? Now here we will be following something called harmonious construction. Now there are certain rules which you have to follow for interpretation, sir. Sir, in this case, I did not follow a rule by name, rule of litera legis, or you can say first primary rule of interpretation, sir. Sir, what does rule of litera legis say, sir? Whenever you are interpreting any word in a particular law, you should always give literal meaning only. You should not give extra meaning to it. So always we will be giving normal meaning, we will be not giving any additional meanings. But there is another rule, which is rule of reasonable construction. We also call this as golden rule of interpretation. Now what does this rule say, sir? Whenever rule of litera legis fail, then we have to follow rule of reasonable construction. Matlab, sometimes literal meaning will cause absurdity. Sometimes if you give normal meaning, that will lead to hardship, inconvenience, that will not be the, what you say, interpretation which lawmakers wanted. Then in this case we have to give sensible meaning, sir. So here in the company is giving you a, what you say, very wrong interpretation, sir, because here we are using a word cash, here we are using a word cash, but there we are using a word in the company. So in the company should not be read as in the company, it should be read as cash, that is company, associate, subsidiary, holding. Sir, here I have followed reasonable construction wala rule, sir. Then we also have one more rule in interpretation of law, sir, which is rule of harmonious construction. Whenever there is a conflicting provisions, now can I say this point is conflicting with niche wala points, as a conflicting provision is there, you try to interpret the law in such a manner कि you give validity to both the provisions. So how it is possible, sir? If I take this amount and then I say whichever is lower, don't you think in this case I will comply with upar wala point also and niche wala point also? So always better interpretation here would be what, bacha? Whichever is lower, sir. Clear, bacha? Now, so these are my author's note which you will be finding in the material, sir. For that matter, in this total material, wherever there are some interpretation issues, you will be definitely finding a author's note, my comments on that particular topic, sir. Maybe your other faculties ka interpretation may differ. He may strictly say in the company means in the company only, sir. And this is how lawmakers are, sir. Now can I say judges also, sometimes one court gives you one hearing and another court gives you another hearing. Say for example, you are going to a lower court, he passes one judgment, that judgment is not good, and then we go to higher court and higher court reverses that order. Iska matlab kya, sir? Exactly what lawmakers want, and it is very difficult. So we are just trying to put our best efforts to understand the law in a better manner. So I gave you my, what you say, reasoning thing also, why I feel that in the company should not be read as in the company, there you should interpret this as cash, sir. Clear, bacha? Now, sir, okay, nice. So here let's conclude, sir. So what is that word I am talking about, sir? A person, that is Mr. A, if he wants to become independent director, okay, he can become, when if his relative, what is the word I am using, sir? If his relative is not holding what, security or interest. First word I am using a word not holding what, security or interest, where C A okay, so company, company का holding, company का subsidiary, company का associates, during the year also and last 2 financial year. So such holding should not be there, sir. Clear, bacha? Now, you may ask, sir, here you have put yellow, but you did not say what is the interpretation problem. Sir, none of his relative is holding. Sir, agar you strictly follow is holding, it means it talks about present only. But can I say provision may last 2 years are also there. So here is should not be only interpreted as current financial year. You should also talk about what, sir? Previous 2 years also. Clear, bacha? Now, sir, we will be taking again many examples to clear this answer in a beautiful. Okay, then, sir, okay, upar we said, na baba na, you should not hold security or interest, CASH. Then we said, okay, you can hold what, security or interest, but there is a limit. What is the limit, sir? You can hold up to 50 lakhs face value, not market value. Now maybe Infosys ka face value of share is 1 rupee, market value of the same share is around 700 rupees, sir. So 699 is the premium there. So here we are talking about face value of the share. Face value kitna? 50 lakhs or lesser than that, sir, or 2% of the paid up share capital, sir. 2% of the paid up share capital. Now, sir, if you are holding in C, so here also paid up share capital of C you will take. If you are holding in A, here also A, S, S, H, H. I will take example, don't worry, sir. So 2% of that or 50 lakhs, whichever is lower, that should be the limit. Up to this extent you can hold. If you hold more than that, then relative, है ना, आपने बजा दिया. किसका बजा दिया? Sir, that person who wanted to become independent director. Clear है बच्चा? Now, sir, oh sir, now what is that I want to tell you, sir? Sir, clause number D, subclause number 1 is somewhat related to clause number E, subclause number 3. Okay, now so what I will be doing, sir, after D1 I am not going with D2, I am going with E3 because they both are connected to each other. You will be finding some connection between them, sir. Okay, chaliye sir, let us talk about clause number E. Now this is again super irony, sir. Now sir, if you remember, what did I say, sir? Clause number, so 149 subsection 6 is what we were discussing. उसमें clause A, clause B, clause C, clause D, clause E. Now clause A, B and C is to be checked or fulfilled or performed by whom, sir? Appointee, person who is getting appointed. D में you have checked what बच्चा? अपॉइंटी का रिलेटिव, अपॉइंटी का रिलेटिव, सर. बट E में you are checking for appointee also and relative also. It is all mixed fruit juice. So appointee, relative, दोनों, both categories you are looking in clause number E, sir. Okay, let's go for clause number E. What he is saying, sir? Who मतलब appointee. Who neither himself, मतलब who neither himself nor any of his relative, मतलब आप भी नहीं, आपके रिलेटिव्स भी नहीं. నువ్వు కూడా కాదు, నీ రిలేటివ్స్ కూడా కాదు, है ना. थोड़ा बहुत तेलुगु I know, sir. Wherever possible I generally speak. Okay, so both is what we are looking for, sir. Okay, who neither himself nor any of his relative. What? 3 is what we have to talk about. Holds together with his relative what? 2% or more of the total voting power of the company. सर क्या है ये जिंदगी, है ना. नाउ सर, व्हाट आर द वर्ड्स आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट, सर? ओपनिंग लाइंस, हु नाइदर हिमसेल्फ नॉर एनी ऑफ हिज रिलेटिव, आप भी नहीं, आपके रिलेटिव भी नहीं, क्या? होल्ड्स टुगेदर विथ हिज रिलेटिव व्हाट? 2% or more of the total voting power of the company. So if at all we have to read this, very simple it is, sir. Sir, appointee, appointee का relatives. Okay, appointee, appointee, appointee का relative. मतलब if it is Mr. A, then we are talking about Mrs. A. So Mr. A, Mrs. A together should not hold what? 2% or more than 2% of what? Total voting power. Where? In the company, sir. If at all they do this, इसका मतलब they are disqualified, है ना. So simple है, if Mr. A was getting appointed and Mr. A along with Mrs. A is holding 2% or more of the total voting power in company, then he will be disqualified. Here point to be noted, my lord, the word used is total voting power, not paid up share capital. If you remember clause number D में we have used a word paid up share capital. Here paid up share capital में equity also will come, preference will also come, sir. Here we are talking about only that share capital which is carrying voting power. So can I say generally it is equity share capital only? Why I am using a word generally? Because sometimes if there is a arrears of preference dividend for consecutively 2 years, then they also have voting power. But that is very rare scenario, sir. Already this total section is complicated. I don't think ICI will complicate things by saying that arrears of preference shares ka dividend is also there, and that things will not happen, sir. So you can blindly say that here voting power is nothing but what, bacha? Equity share capital, sir. So I hope you understood this point also, sir. Sir, now what are interpretation issues which you have to talk about here? Sir, first interpretation issue you have to talk about here is this. Again I told you, wherever there is a yellow mark, matlab their interpretation issues are there, sir. Agar, and I am betting it, sir, 99.99% and people will overlook this, sir. Now what is the point I am going to tell, sir? ध्यान से सुनना. What a beautiful what do you say observation this is. Who neither himself, matlab Mr. A, nor any of his relative, that is Mrs. A. Now relatives में I told you yesterday 10 people will come, sir. Remember, sir, all the members of HUF, then husband and wife, then we have 8 people, sir. Okay, who are those 8 people, sir? If you are one, sir, आपके ऊपर father, mother, है ना, brother, sister, कैन आई से सन डॉटर, सर सन की बीवी है ना, एंड सन्स डॉटर वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट, सॉरी सन्स की बीवी मतलब सन्स वाइफ वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट, एंड डॉटर का मर्द दैट इज डॉटर का हस्बैंड वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट. So can I say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8? So these are your 8 people, 9 and 10. So these 10 people are relatives. Okay. So here neither Mr. A or Mrs. A. But here point is neither he himself nor along with his relative holds together with his relative. Oh my God. Why did they write a word his relative again? Already they have used a word relatives in the main thing only, sir. Why did they write this again relative here, sir? Are this matlab, is this giving you any hint, sir? Answer is yes. Now what is the hint, sir? Sir, what we will do is here showing becomes thoda difficult. Now sir, neither he himself, first we will talk about neither he himself, then that is relatives, and then we have his relatives. Okay. Now sir, himself uska relative, sir. Okay. Sir, himself his relative. Now anyway himself his relative is ऊपर covered, इसका मतलब we are talking about relative का relative. सर क्या मजाक हो रहा सर ये ना. सर examples will really help you in understanding. So here what are the things we should take, sir? Appointee plus appointee का relative, he is a appointee का relative plus relative of appointee's relative. Here he will be appointee's relative. Why? Because he himself along with his relative, इसका मतलब this part is already covered in main thing only, sir. So here we have to cover, just writing it again, sir. So here we have to cover this part, sir. Relative with his relative, himself with his relative. So these things will give you 3 relationships, sir. So here he will be himself, इसका मतलब appointee plus relative, किसका? any of his relative. Here his relative मतलब this person का relative, that is appointee का relative plus he himself nor any of his relative holds together with his relative. इसका मतलब ऊपर relative is there, उसका relative is talking about. So here he is relative of appointee's relative. These 3 people should hold कितना है ना, less than 2%. If they hold less than 2%, then है ना you can be appointed, or if your relative is want to be appointed, he can also be appointed. But if he holds 2% or more, then disqualified. So appointee cannot be appointed as what you say independent director. I know that you might be getting confused, sir. Sir, I will be ensuring that a beautiful example is given to you so that interpretation issues do not come. So before I go further into my examples, quickly side by side I wanted to show D1 also and E3 also. So 149 subsection 6, 149 subsection 6. So what are the words we are understanding, sir? Sir, D may we are not looking for appointee, we are looking these points only for appointee ka relatives. So relatives, sir, what they are doing, sir? They should not hold security or interest. Where, sir? C A S H. And what are the years considered, sir? Current year also plus 2 years, sir. Sir, then we had one exception, sir. Yes, thoda bahut liberty we are giving you, sir. There I have applied 2 rules. One is your reasonable construction, that is golden rule of interpretation. Next is harmonious. So unko apply kar what did I say, sir? Yes, you can hold, but there is a limit. Kitna, sir? Face value kitna? 50 lakhs or less, or 2%. 2% किसका? Paid up share capital, whichever is lower. So this much you can hold, not at all a problem, sir. इससे ज़्यादा if you hold, then appointee will be disqualified, sir. Sir, here what did I say, sir? Sir, appointee का relative plus relative of appointee's relative together है ना, if they are holding 2% or more in the company, then this appointee is getting disqualified. I hope you understood. Now let us take beautiful example. Sir, this two things also you should understand more properly. Let us take example. A comparison just I gave you. D1 may we are only considering for relative, but E3 may we are looking three people, sir. We are looking three people, sir. Appointee, appointee का relative and relative of appointee's relative. Sir, limit matlab how much is allowed? How much is allowed, sir? 50 lakhs or less face value of the share, or 2% of paid up share capital, whichever is lower. But here 2% or more you should not hold. So how much you can hold? Less than 2% you can hold. But that is only for voting power. Sir, there we are checking for CASH, but here only in the company. Only in the company. तो इसका मतलब क्या सर? इफ यू आर होल्डिंग 2% और मोर इन होल्डिंग कंपनी, देन उसके नीचे वाला कंपनी में यू कैन गेट अपॉइंटेड इफ यू आर गोइंग फॉर ओनली क्लॉज E3, सर. अगेन आई एम टेलिंग यू, इंडिपेंडेंट डायरेक्टर का आंसर इफ यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड, फर्स्ट थिंग व्हाट यू शुड हैव इज पेशेंस. If you are not having patience, then definitely these answers are not meant for you, sir. Then next point, sir. Sir, this we are looking for current year also and last 2 years also, but here we are looking only for current financial year. Sir, here security or interest was the word used, but here only equity is the word used. Clear? Now let us take examples so that things becomes easy. Case study number 1. Now answer these questions considering D1 also, E3 also. Okay. Now Jitendra is holding 1.5% equity share capital. Can I say these are the shares which are carrying voting power? So Jitendra is holding 1.5% equity share capital in Balaji Telefilms. Okay. Tushar is son of whom, sir? Jitendra. He is also holding 1% in Balaji Telefilms. Okay, so Jitendra is holding 1.5, Tushar is holding 1%, and this is there in Balaji Telefilms. Lakshya is the son of Tushar, so Tushar ka son is Lakshya. Okay, Shiv Productions and Ganesh Productions are holding, so Balaji Telefilms के ऊपर is शिव भगवान, नीचे is Ganesh, and बीच में is तिरुपति बालाजी से. Okay, nice. Clear. So this was the questions which is given. Now let's see what are the questions which you have to answer. Can Tushar be appointed as independent director in Balaji Telefilms? Sir, how you should answer these type of questions when they come in exam? Sir, always my sincere advice would be, first you check for E3, because E3 is in the company. Agar E3 satisfied, then let us go for D1. Sir, if you see D1 and maybe and then that will create unnecessary problems, because you have to see for 4 companies. When you are not getting appointed in the company only, ASH is of no use. So always sincere advice, sir, first you try to put a check through E3, and if E3 is satisfied, then we will go for D. And when this type of things you should compare, sir, if the word used is shares you are holding, and if you are talking about shares holding, then only shareholding, yes, security or interest, then only you should look into these areas. Okay, now so conclusion is we are trying to apply E3, that is 149 subsection 6 clause E subclause number 3. I told you, you will be remembering with subclause numbers also. Clause number तो पक्का याद रहेगा, subclause भी याद रहेगा, because I will utter these words this many times. Now, can Tushar be appointed as independent director in Balaji Telefilms? Apply brain, sir. Can I say Balaji Telefilms? E3 में what is that we have to check, sir? Appointee. Who is appointee here? Tushar. Sir, Tushar is holding how much, sir? Tushar is holding 1%. Okay. Balaji Telefilms. So Tushar is appointee. He is holding 1%. Sir, appointee का relative. Appointee का relative is Jitendra, है ना? So Jitendra. Why appointee का relative is Jitendra? Obviously no. Sir, Tushar is a son, तो उसका papa is his relative only, sir. Okay. So relative, he is holding 1.5%. Yes, in Balaji Telefilms only. Can I say they both collectively are holding 2.5%. How much was allowed, bacha? Sir, again, if you have any doubts, you can see here how much was allowed, sir. Sir, less than 2% was allowed. 2% or more, you will be disqualified. But can I say here, so you are holding 2.5%, which is more 2% or more than 2%, sir. Clear or not, sir? Less than 2 was required, but here it is more than 2, sir. So इसका मतलब Tushar, you are disqualified to become independent director in Balaji Telefilms. Clear? No. So can Tushar be appointed? No. Tushar, Jitendra, both are holding more than 2%, exactly 2.5%. Clear hai bacha? Next point, sir. Can Jitendra be appointed? Now, in this case, what will happen, sir? In the place of, now, in this case, what will happen? Who is appointee? Jitendra. So, appointee is Jitendra. Sir, relative is Tushar. Relative is Tushar. Sir, can I say in both ways? They are only swap. Here he came upar, he came niche. But still, both are holding 2.5%. Can I say Jitendra is also disqualified to become what? Independent director. Where? In Balaji Telefilms. Clear hai bacha? Now, sir, that answer only it is given. No similar reason. Then question number 3. Now, this is fantastic question. Can Jitendra be appointed as independent director in either Shiv Shakti or Ganesh Production Limited? Now here answers carefully it should come. Now Jitendra cannot be appointed in Balaji Telefilm. Now that is already concluded. But third May question is not that. Sir, we are looking for Jitendra's appointment where? In Shiv Shakti. In Shiv Shakti, sir. Okay, Shiv Production, sorry. Now then Ganesh also we will see, but first Shiv Production. Now, sir, again I told you, first let us try to apply E3. First let us try to apply E3, sir. Sir, Jitendra, are you holding anything in Shiv Production? Answer is no. You are not holding. Then I will ask Jitendra, your relative. Who is your relative? Tushar. Is Tushar holding anything in Shiv Production? Answer is no. इसका मतलब E3 is cleared. E3 is cleared. इसका मतलब Jitendra, as per E3, I am not giving my final answer, time being answer. As per E3, you are qualified to become independent. But can I say securities का matter it is. So you should also see है ना D वाला clause also. Now I will look for D1. Now I will look for D1. Now D1 में what we are doing, sir? D1 में we are not looking for appointee का holding. We are looking for whom, sir? Sir, appointee का relative का holding. Okay. Now, sir, Jitendra का holding least bothered. Jitendra का relative is Tushar. Now, sir, what was the provision? Recall, sir, D1 में सर अगर अपॉइंटी का रिलेटिव इफ ही इज होल्डिंग सिक्योरिटी और इंटरेस्ट वेयर CASH. नाउ टेल मी सर शिव okay now sir, Tushar, is he holding anything in Shiv Productions? No. Tushar, is he holding anything in Shiv Productions का subsidiary? Who is Shiv Productions का subsidiary? Balaji Telefilms. Yes, he is holding. कितना he is holding? 1.5%, if I'm not wrong. Question. Jitendra is 1.5. Okay, Tushar is holding only 1%. So Tushar is holding only 1%. Okay, now, so can I say we are only talking about here, this was holding company, Shiv Production was holding company, this is your subsidiary, sir. Associate and these things are not to be considered because questions are not given for that, sir. Now can I say like this, it is only 1%. What was the limit, sir? There, if you remember, two things were written, sir. 50 lakhs, 2%, whichever is lower. Here 50 lakhs ka criteria is not given, so we have to look only for percentage criteria, which is 1% only. There it was 2%, sir. Here it is only 1%. So can he become? Now maybe I'm confusing you, so let me draw this diagram properly, sir. This is simple, man. Sir, question he is asking you what, sir? We are talking about question. Can Jitendra be appointed as ID in Shiv Productions, sir? So here we have to look for Jitendra. Can he be appointed as ID in Shiv Production? Now tell me, sir. शिव प्रोडक्शंस का सब्सिडरी कौन है? बालाजी. क्लियर है बच्चा? नाउ अदर इंफॉर्मेशन इज नॉट गिवन. ओके, नाउ बालाजी के नीचे ऑल्सो, सो ओके लेट अस राइट डाउन बालाजी. दिस इज योर होल्डिंग कंपनी, दिस इज योर सब्सिडरी कंपनी. बालाजी का सब्सिडरी इज गणेश Productions Limited, whatever the name is. So this was a subsidiary of Balaji, sir. Okay, now sir, but question here we are talking about, so we have concluded E3 though it is not applicable, sir, because E3 mein you are looking only in the company. So Jitendra or Tushar, neither they are holding in Shiv Production. Then we saw, is Jitendra holding anything? Sorry, Jitendra ka we have to not see, no, we have to see relative, because we are now trying to apply D1. So relative of Jitendra, who is relative of Jitendra, sir? Tushar. So Tushar ka thing we have to see in Balaji Telefilm. Is he holding? Answer is yes. How much he is holding? 1%. इसका मतलब it is within the limit only. So इसका मतलब क्या sir? Can Jitendra become ID in Shiv Productions? So you can see my conclusion also, sir. Can he become? Answer is yes. Clause E3 covers only the company, है ना? So here it is fulfilled, but here we are getting appointed, मतलब we are appointing this person in holding company, sir. Also D1 specified the limit of 2% for relatives. Here it is less than that. Less than that मतलब 1%. Clear है बच्चा? Then we have question number 4. Can Tushar be appointed as ID? Sorry, sir, what would be your answer for Ganesh Productions? Same. Answer is same, because it is again 1% only. Then, can Tushar be appointed as ID in either Shiv Productions or Ganesh? Again, now, sir, Tushar is getting appointed where, bacha? In Shiv Productions. So obviously EI so will not satisfy, because we have detailedly covered this in question number 3. D1, will it get satisfied? Answer is no, because even if it is 1.5% only it is. इसका मतलब again the answer will be yes. Reasons are similar. This is your blaster. What is this blaster? 5th question, sir. Now, sir, here is what interpretation issues which people had. I discussed this. Can Lakshya become independent director in Balaji Telefilm? Can Lakshya? Now, see the family का hierarchy. सबसे ऊपर इज जितेंद्र, उसके नीचे इज तुषार, उसके नीचे इज लक्ष्य. कैन आई से लक्ष्य इज ग्रैंड सन एंड ही इज ग्रैंड फादर. प्रेजेंट सिचुएशन में व्हाट इज हैपनिंग, लक्ष्य wants to get himself appointed as independent director in Balaji Telefilm. Agar people go with normal interpretations, which I did not say, sir, general interpretation, if they say appointee plus appointee ka relative, if they use only this much, who is appointee here? Lakshya. Who is appointee ka relative here? Tushar. Sir, what about Jitendra? No relatives. Sir, can I say grandfather will not come for Lakshya? For Lakshya, है ना? Jitendra is not a relative, sir, because we have already seen. ऊपर you have father, उसके ऊपर grandfather is not covered. तो इसका मतलब Lakshya is holding कितना? Lakshya is holding कितना, sir? Sir, Lakshya is holding 0% in Balaji Telefilm. Tushar is holding kitna? We have concluded Tushar is holding 1% only. Agar I go with normal interpretation, then it means Lakshya can be appointed as an independent director in Balaji Telefilm. But I did not write this equation. What is the equation I wrote, sir? Appointee plus appointee ka relative plus, sir, now we have to see Tushar ka relative also. Relative of अपॉइंटीज रिलेटिव, है ना. सो नाउ टेल मी सर, तुषार का रिलेटिव में डू यू थिंक जितेंद्र विल कम? यस. कहने से तुषार के ऊपर इज योर जितेंद्र पप्पा, तो इसका मतलब ही इज होल्डिंग हाउ मच? 1.5%. so 0 plus 1% plus 1.5%, how much it will be? 2.5%. and what is the limit sir? Sir, less than 2%, but because if you hold 2% or more of the equity share capital of the company, then you are disqualified. So here 2.5% it is sir. Is he disqualified? Answer is yes. So can Lakshya become independent director in Balaji Telefilms? Answer is no. Now you understood why I said these many interpretation issues sir. Sir, I am 100, maybe 99% sure most of your faculties would have interpreted this only as relative, sorry, appointee plus appointee ka relative also. But can I say this word also we have to? Now maybe here I can apply one more point saying what, this is duplication etc. But can I say when words are clear, relative word is used, no ambiguity is there, you should go with literal construction only. What do you mean by literal construction? Every word ko you have to give meaning. You should not give added meaning. Sir, you only gave here added meaning upar, but I told you if you give literal meaning, it leads to absurdity. Here it is not leading to absurdity. It is not causing any interpretation problems. Things are very clear, कोई problem नहीं है. इसलिए I am going with literal rule only, primary rule only, first rule of interpretation, which is also called rule of litera legis. Sir, where we can read all these interpretation rules? Sir, you have one chapter called interpretation of statutes in your IPCC law syllabus, है ना. So other laws में you have one chapter called interpretation of statutes. You can go through in that also, sir. If you are doing CS, so CS में you have one paper called jurisprudence, interpretation and general laws, JIGL, that paper is called, sir. There also you have one topic called interpretation of statutes, sir. CA final में earlier old syllabus में it used to be there, but now they have removed that because they have included this in your intervala syllabus, sir. Now, so these rules are very, very important for interpretation. If possible, time permits, and I will ensure that I take a separate session only on interpretation of statutes. Fantastic examples के साथ I will be telling you how you have to interpret a particular law. In fact, what I feel, sir, irrespective of level where you are, definitely interpretation of statutes chapter should be there in every law paper, sir. है ना. So irony thing is what, you were in old syllabus, sir. Old syllabus में है ना interpretation of statute chapter was not there, and now you have come down to new syllabus, sir. Now new syllabus में है ना they have removed CA final I am talking about, sir. This is removed, sir. Anyway, no problem, sir. So these points I told you, sir. So now I guess D1 and E3 might be clear, sir. Okay, now so I am done with one example. Now let us discuss second examples. So one more example, yes, case study number 2. Now what is case study number 2 saying, sir? Mr. Mukesh does not hold any share capital in Infosys. Cool. Mr. Mukesh, sir, Mr. Anant. Now by this you should have understood. Mr. Anant, son of Mr. Mukesh, is holding 2.5% of the paid up share capital, in which 2.5% is equity share capital. Wow. Sir, paid up share capital, उसमें voting power वाला is 2.1%. तो मतलब balancing 0.4% is preferential capital. Okay. Anant is holding in Infosys. PJ Limited is holding company of Infosys. Just an example, ma. Again I told you all these are examples. Question क्या है? Can Anant be appointed as independent director in Infosys? Apply brains. Can I say again? Always I said what, sir? First try to check E3. Now E3 में what is that we have to check? First look for appointee. Who is appointee? Anant. Anant plus Anant का relative. Who is Anant का relative here? Mukesh. Now tell me, sir. Then we have to check how much they are holding in Infosys. Do you think Anant ka relative plus a relative of appointee's relative? Presently we are taking only two people because third person ka point is not there, sir. So how much appointee is holding? Anant is holding how much? Anant is holding 2.5%. Very good, खत्म हो गया मैटर. Sir, Mukesh is holding 0. Can I say दोनों का joint holding is 2% or more? Answer is yes. इसका मतलब you are violating E3. इसका मतलब Anant, oh Anant, you cannot become ID in Infosys. Can Mukesh become? Answer is still the same, है ना sir, 2.5%. Now Mukesh is becoming disqualified not because of his holding but because of Anant holding. Sir, here both answers I looked only E3. I did not look for D1 only, sir, because no use. When it is simple, ma, if you fail in one paper, and now we need not look for other things. Now you may say, sir, exemption might be there na, वो light low भाई, है ना, we are talking about all 40s 50s वाला students. Third question, let us see, sir. So we can see the answer also. No, Anant, Mukesh holding more than 2%. Second wale ka answer is also no. Third question, can Mr. Anant be appointed as ID in PJ Limited? Who is PJ Limited? Infosys ka holding. Okay, nice. Sir, Anant wants to get himself appointed where? In PJ Limited. Okay. Sir, let's apply again E3. Now E3 में what we are checking, sir? Anant plus Mukesh का holding in PJ Limited. How much it is? 0%. Sir, then we will apply D1. Sir, D1 में we will see appointee या appointee plus relative या only relative? Only relative. So Anant is getting appointed. इसका मतलब अनंत का relative is Mukesh. So Mukesh, yeah, Anant ka relative is Mukesh. Now, is Mukesh holding anything in PJ Limited? Answer is no. Is Mukesh holding anything in Infosys? Answer is no. 0% was the question given. So can Anant become what you say in ID in what you say PJ Limited? Answer is yes. You can see the answer, sir. Answer is yes. Clause E3 covers only the company. Sir, here Anant is getting appointed in holding. Now you need not write S. Also clause D1 specified limit of 2% for relatives, not for appointee. Sir, Anant holding in Infosys is to be ignored. Anant holding in Infosys is to be ignored. Clear, bacha? Now, sir, fourth question. Mukesh ke liye we are checking, sir. So can Anant become? Yes. Can Mukesh become? Let us see, sir. Again, can I say E3? Now we are talking about for Mukesh. Mukesh wants to become ID in PJ Limited, sir. E3 is satisfied, no problem. E3 is satisfied. Why E3 is satisfied? Simple logic hai. Sir, can I say Anant plus Mukesh in the company? The company here is PJ Limited. Are they holding anything, sir? Answer is no. 0%. E3 is satisfied. No issues, sir. Then we will see D1. Now D1 में we should not look for Mukia. Mukia मतलब Mukesh. We should look for Mukia का relative. Who is Mukia का relative? Son. तो इसका मतलब correct है ना भाई? Mukesh का relative का definition में son will definitely. So Anant का holding we have to see in PJ Limited 0. Sir, PJ के नीचे you have subsidiary. Who is that subsidiary, sir? Infosys. How much is holding? 2.5%. 2.5% क्या था? 2.5% was 0.5% paid up share capital he is holding. 2.5% paid up share capital. Can I say in D1 the word used was paid up share capital or voting power? Paid up share capital. Correct है, हो गया. Sir, can I say you are holding more than 2%, sir? इसका मतलब you are फसक. You cannot become Mukesh. Oh Mukesh, you cannot become ID in PJ Limited. Now I would like to tell you the irony of clause D1. Now here it is a bright example. I could have uttered these words earlier, but if I would have done, this would have caused confusion. Can I say you holding, you can become? देखो, Anant was holding 2.5% in the subsidiary. Anant became an independent director in PJ Limited. Here Mukesh Bechara, he was not holding anything on his name. Because of his relative, he is not able to become an independent director, है ना? Wow, irony, sir. Now I don't know how this drafting has happened, but this is the answer. So can Mukesh become? Answer is no. And why Mukesh is not happening, not becoming ID, sir? Because of his son. Who is that, sir? Dund. Who is that Dund? Anant Ambani. So can sorry, Anant. I did not say Ambani. है ना? So here it is more than 2%, sir. इसलिए you cannot become independent director, sir. So he has violated D1. E3 no violation, but D1 का violation has. With this, I conclude 149 subsection 6 D1 with E3. So what should be your interpretation? Summary chart एक बार clarity के साथ let's go for, sir. So can I say we are done with this part? We are done with this part. है ना? This part and this part. Quick revision, sir. Relative is considered. No security, no interest, where in cash. Can hold कितना? 50 lakhs or less. Can hold कितना? 50 lakhs or less, or 2% of paid up share capital, whichever is lower, where in the cash. That is allowed, sir. Now if you remember, 50 lakhs was written in the company. We have applied a reasonable construction rule for that word, sir, and hence we have concluded that it is cash. Now subclause number 3 mein whom subclause E mein what you have to see, sir? Appointee and relative of appointee ऊपर, and नीचे again the word is relative. So here 3 people will come, sir. How much together, sir? 2% or more they should not hold. If they hold, then disqualified. So नीचे I gave you one this thing also, coverage. A appointee, R relative of appointee, R of AR मतलब relative of appointee's relative. In fact, the word you should have been used is AR here. So one small correction I have to make. A plus AR plus R of AR. So all these 3 people ka joint holding 2% or more, if it is voting power. Very very important word is voting power. Here the word used was paid up share capital. Okay, this is over. Now let us talk about D2. Let us talk about D2, sir. Now D2 is not that difficult, sir. Easy hai. We can easily cover this. Not at all a problem, sir. Now D2, sir, if you remember, clause D was only for whom, sir? Appointee, relative, only relative. Okay. Now, so again opening lines. None of whose relative. None of whose relative is indebted to whom? Cash. Again, their promoters, their directors. So 6 people have come, sir. So company, associate, subsidiary, holding, promoter, directors. In excess of 50 lakhs during the current year, last 2 financial year. Can I say period wise it is same? D1 may also same period, D2 may also same period, D3 may also same period. So period wise there is no confusion. Okay, nice. Sir, first I would like to tell what he is trying to say, sir. Simple, ma. So what he is trying to say, sir, appointee. Matlab this person, Mr. A wants to get himself as appointed as independent director. Okay. Now what has happened? Uska relative, Mr. R. Okay. Now he has to make some payment. Indebted matlab you have to give something. Loan is one word, sir. Maybe relative has taken some goods on credit. That is also indebtedness, sir. So indebtedness can be in any form, sir. पैसा देना है, पैसलू इवाली, indebtedness. So relative is indebted to whom? Company. उसका ऊपर is holding, उसका नीचे is subsidiary, उसका बाजू is associate. Okay. Okay. और their DP, their DP मतलब again DP मतलब either to corporates or corporates का director, corporates का promoter, sir. So if you are indebted, who is indebted? Relative, sir, है ना sir. कितना? 50 lakhs. Where? Current year also, last 2 years also. If this is happening, appointee, I am sorry, you cannot become independent. Now again you may see those yellow words, I will tell you, sir. Then third wala point is talking about guarantee oblique security. Okay. Now सर नाउ आई हैव वन शॉर्टकट वे ऑफ रिमेंबरिंग सर. सर सेकंड वाले में यू कैन से डायरेक्ट इंडेटेडनेस. थर्ड वाले में आई यूज्ड ए वर्ड इनडायरेक्ट इंडेटेडनेस. Why I'm using a word like this, sir? I will tell you, sir. Indirect indebtedness, sir. Indirect indebtedness. Here what has happened is, sir, relative. What did relative do? Now say for example, this is the company. This is a company, sir. C Limited company hai. This company might have sold some goods on credit, sir. है ना? Credit पे goods बेचा. किसको? Say for example, Mr. X. Now this company has said to X, I am not going to give you goods on credit, sir. Yes, I may give you goods on credit if somebody gives me security or somebody gives me guarantee. Now Mr. A was not having that much money, so Mr. X might have approached Mr. R and told what ki Mr. R, anyway you are my good friend, sir, so please give guarantee or security. So what did happen, sir? R has given guarantee or security. R has given guarantee or security. Why? In connection to indebtedness. In connection to indebtedness of whom? Third party. In connection to indebtedness of whom? Third parties. Okay. Sir, now tell me, sir. Agar tomorrow this person does not pay, which person does not pay? Now what do you mean by security, sir? Maybe he is having some asset, land ka papers, whatever it is, sir. Guarantee matlab you understand, contract of guarantee, IPCC mein you have studied. So tomorrow if Mr. X doesn't pay, so can I say we will recover this from whom? Mr. R. Now, can I say now you see this will exactly meet in clause number 2, sir. Can I say in this case who will become indebtedness? Relative will become indebted. So if this situation also happen, then appointee you are disqualified. Now this situation can happen in C or holding subsidiary associate. Okay, holding subsidiary associates. Here if you can see the word used is dare matlab cash ka promoters, cash ka directors. Clear hai bachcha? Interpretation issues will come. So first my job was to make you feel good. There the word was a direct indebtedness. Here can I say it is indirect indebtedness? Because today guarantee or security is not directly indebtedness, but in future if this person does not pay you will become indebted. So can I say you will now meet clause 2 wala situation, hence I say this as indirect indebtedness. Again if you have read company law very properly, sir, section 185, section 186, 185 was dealing with 3 words: LGS, loan guarantee security. 186 was dealing with LGSI, loan guarantee security investment, sir. Agar if you remember, loan guarantee security in connection to loan was the word used. Guarantee security in connection to loan was the word used. Here guarantee security in connection to indebtedness is used because upar wala word is indebtedness. Clear hai bacha? That is the word, sir. And most of the times your wordings also matters a lot, sir. We have to use standard words as far as possible, sir. Whenever you write a word guarantee, always use a prefix as given. So guarantees are given, securities are provided, investment is made, loans are advanced. So loan ke liye what is a better word you can use, sir? Advance. See, you can write a word give loan, not at all a problem. But agar you are writing proper law language, there is always an added advantage. Loans are always advanced. Guarantee is always given. Security is always provided. You can also use a word made also, no issues. Investment is always, we are using a word made. These are standard words which you have to write in your exam, sir. This will give you good marks also. Maybe sometimes examiner may not have that much brains to apply this, sir. Maybe most of the students might be writing a word give for all the 4 words and still they might be getting good marks. But can I say today you know this, definitely you will follow this. Will you make a mistake? Chalo main give laga ke dekhta whether I get good marks or not. Why should we do all these things, sir? So when some good things are learned, let us continue this as a practice. Clear hai bacha? Now, sir, इंटरप्रिटेशन इश्यूज क्या है? आई टोल्ड यू, येलो मार्क मतलब इंटरप्रिटेशन. Sir, here the word used was is. Is matlab only current year? No. So here current year is also there, last 2 years is also. So one point you have to understand. Sir, in excess of is the word used. Generally apply the brains. In excess of 50 lakhs is the word used, sir. Sir, don't you think in excess of 50 lakhs matlab more than 50 lakhs? Symbol should be like this. But why did I write this symbol then? मैंने तो ये सिंबल लिखा. आई रोट 50 lakhs और मोर, बट द वर्ड यूज्ड इज इन एक्सेस ऑफ. ओके सर, if you see in clause number subclause number 3, the word used was 50 lakhs dot 50 lakhs. Now don't you think, sir, point 2 or point 3 में more or less you are dealing with same situation, that is direct indebtedness, indirect indebtedness. So there you are using a word in excess of 50 lakhs matlab more than 50 lakhs. Here you are saying exact 50 lakhs matlab you are covering 50 lakhs also, matlab not given. You can see none should give how much? 50 lakhs. इसका मतलब you are covering 50 lakhs वाला amount also. There you want to cover only, see, 1 rupee it is, but still can I say answer is more important, sir. There 50 lakhs ka more, it is exceeding 50 lakhs. Here it is this thing. Sir, then what should we do, sir? Then again one point I want to tell you, sir. In bare act, this words, this 50 lakhs amount is not written. What is written there is prescribed amount. What there is written is prescribed amount. Here also what is written is prescribed amount. And where it is prescribed, sir, you have rule number 5, sub rule number 2. There that amount has been prescribed. So I would like you to quickly come back to your bare act, sir. That will give you one good idea what exactly I am trying to say. Oh, 1 minute, sir. You might be wondering, इतना पढ़ना पड़ता भाई. Sir, there are few provisions in Companies Act which are like this, sir. Otherwise, Companies Act is very, very interesting, not at all a problem. But can I say, easy interpretation है, मज़ा नहीं आता, sir. At the end of the day, life में थोड़ा बहुत complexities are required, where you feel, array, wow, what a interpretation. Okay, so I'm just coming here also, you will be really surprised कि what a beautiful way of interpretation it is, sir. Just थोड़ा internet is slow, I guess. आ जा रे भाई. So internet is also in quarantine mode or what, sir? So जैसे this Bharat Bandh has happened, quarantine mode, everyone is in quarantine mode only. Hmm. I can tell you also, but thing is, if I show you, then you will really appreciate what exactly I want you people to look into it. Or I will directly download Amendments Act 17, sir. आ जाना रे भाई प्लीज. Presently we are discussing 149. 14 में okay sir. Now maybe this is not completely visible, but still I would like to just give you a good briefing. Now sir, this is entire bare text which I am reading from MCA website, sir. 149, you can see 149 is the section. It has many coverage, sir. 149 subsection 6 is what we are reading presently. Subsection 6 may presently we are going with D. Okay, now D may and properly you can see here, this is D. This is Amendment Act 2017, so I'm directly going for amendment thing only, sir. D may, can I say clause 1 is subclause 1 is over. Now we are discussing subclause number 2. You can see here opening lines D, none of whose relative, now you see, is indebted to the company, its holding, subsidiary, associate, their promoters or directors in excess of such amount as may be prescribed. Point to be noted, my lord. Such amount as may be prescribed. To, you can see, to such amount as may be prescribed. Sir, third wale mein bhi you can see the word has given a guarantee. Again, opening words are none of whose relative has given a guarantee or provided any security in connection with indebtedness to third person to the company holding, subsidiary, associate, or their promoters or directors of such holding company for such amount as may be prescribed. In those both cases the word used is as may be prescribed. Sir, whenever law may such words are used as may be prescribed, they will be prescribed in the rules. They will be prescribed in the rules. Now which rule? Rule number 5. So I'm just reading this rule number 5. Entire thing need not be seen, you can just see here. Rule number 5, sub rule number 2. None of the relatives of independent director for the purposes of subclause number 2, can I say presently we are discussing subclause 2, subclause number 3 of clause 2 of subsection 6 of section 149. Can I say 149 subsection 6 clause D subsection, sorry, subclause 2 subclause 3 is what we are reading. Sir, is indebted to, same wordings are written. Now you see here what is the word used? For an amount of 50 lakh rupees. मतलब for subclause 2 also they want you to write 50 lakhs. For subclause 3 also they want you to write 50 lakhs. Sir, don't you think in rules also I showed you 50 lakhs? Sir, in main what is say subclause also, subclause number 3 also I showed you 50 lakhs. Here there is one issue, sir. So better thing would be what? In excess of, matlab more than 50 lakhs may not be a good interpretation. Here we will say 50 lakhs or more. Here we will use a word 50 lakhs or more. That's the reason, even though I wrote in excess of, but bracket may I wrote greater than or equivalent. This is what author's note also I have written. Clear hai bacha? So what should be the amount here? You should write, sir, 50 lakhs or more. Then in this case subclause number 2 and subclause number 3 will be in harmony, sir. Then sir, so these are two yellow parts ka interpretation I told you, sir. Now sir, why did I put this yellow color mark? Maybe I feel that this is a complete nuisance which lawmakers have made. Sir, if you see, cash was covered here, their promoters, their directors. Cash is covered here, their promoters word is used, but their directors word is not used. What is the word used? Directors of such holding company. इसका मतलब only H is covered. Sir, is there any logic? God knows what is that logic. In fact, and here also they should have used the word their directors. Sir, then we should read as their directors. Now in this case I don't want to give any extra meaning. Better thing would be what, sir? Whenever it comes to promoters, we will say their promoters. Whenever it comes to directors, director of only holding company. इसका मतलब how should you read this, sir? Relative has given guarantee or security to whom? Company. To whom? To company, और कंपनी का होल्डिंग, कंपनी का सब्सिडरी, कंपनी का एसोसिएट. ओके सर, कितना? 50 lakhs और मोर, देन अपॉइंटी यू आर डिस्क्वालिफाइड. सर ओनली कैश? नो सर, प्रमोटर 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 प्रमोटर. सर इधर डायरेक्टर बस. सर हियर रिमेनिंग ऑल केसेस में डायरेक्टर वर्ड लेट अस नॉट यूज. Sir, you can say, sir, we can use, no, what is wrong in that? But can I say here, it is not causing any problems. It is not interfering any other this thing, sir. And it's okay. Can I say indirect indebtedness में they are only wanted to cover only holding company का directors. Sir, remaining all companies में है ना, they wanted to cover promoters. But in the case of holding company, they wanted to cover promoter also and director also. That way में interpretation you can go, sir. But I am sure cut this thing, sir, कि this is a mistake in lawmakers thing only, sir. They should have used the word their directors, but mistakenly they have written only directors of such holding companies. Whatever it is, so we have understood what we wanted to understand, sir. Clear hai bacha? Now tell me, sir. Okay, sir, clause number D में we have seen 1, we have seen 2, we have seen 3. Sir, 1 was talking about security or interest. Second, indebtedness. Third, guarantee or security. Never write only guarantee or security. Guarantee or security in connection to indebtedness. That word should always be there. So you should read this total line in tandem, sir. Guarantee or security in connection to indebtedness. Sir, here what was the limit given, sir? Sir, here 2 limits were given, sir. What was that? 50 lakhs also, 2% also. And then you have to see whichever is lower. Sir, here what is the limit, sir? 50 lakhs or this thing, 50 lakhs or this thing. Clear hai bacha? So we are concluding that 50 lakhs also should be considered in clause number 2, sir. Otherwise, in excess, if you give literal meaning, it should be more than 50 lakhs. Clear hai bacha? So this is over. Sir, here we have seen only cash. Here also we have seen cash. Here also we have seen cash. Sir, DP was not used because it is security or interest. Here DP was used. Sir, here P was used for cash, but D was used only for holding, sir. You may say P matlab PJ cash for all, sir. D matlab Deepika Padukone, only holding companies. So as a small way of remembering, sir. So because thing is, when there is no logic, we have to find ways of remembering things, sir. Now Acha, if at all you are writing, sir, can I say anyway it is recorded, so you can pause the video and write down, sir. Now we have last clause in this video, sir. Clause E ka balance part I will record in next video. Now we have clause number D ka 4. Now what is this point talking about, sir? बहुत फुर्सत में लिखे भाई, sir. They had huge patience, maybe, and the day on which they wrote all these provisions was a Sunday, sir. Full time pass they have done, sir. Now what is clause number, subclause number D? Subclause D, sorry, clause D, subclause number 4. What he is talking about, sir? Again, opening lines is none of whose relatives, none of whose relatives has any other pecuniary transaction. Sir, pecuniary transaction we have already studied, no sir, that was studied in clause number C, but that was only for appointee, where you used the 10% wala limit, sir. But here you are checking for relative. This point you have to understand. Again, Sir, there 10% of his total income was the word used. What was the word used? His total income. Okay. Now, has any other pecuniary transaction or any other pecuniary transaction? What do you mean by any other? Why he is writing any other? इसका मतलब है in the eyes of lawmakers, whatever you did in subclause 1, subclause 2, subclause 3, what you did in subclause 1, security or interest, ये भी तो एक पेक्यूनरी ट्रांजैक्शन है. मतलब दिस इज ऑल्सो ए मॉनिटरी ट्रांजैक्शन. indebtedness, this is also a pecuniary transaction. Sir, security oblique what you say guarantee, this is also a pecuniary transaction. इसका मतलब these three are there. Now he is talking about any other, मतलब balancing figure. So pecuniary transaction, if it is having 100 pecuniary transaction, उसमें 3 are covered ऊपर, 97 are covered here. What a good interpretation, sir. Okay, has any other pecuniary transaction or relationship, मतलब if it is one transaction, series of transaction, relationship, with whom? Cash. Very good lawmakers, बहुत मजे ले रहे हैं आप लोग हमारे. DP is not covered here. With whom? Cash. Amounting to कितना? 2% or more. Amounting to कितना? 2% or more. किसका? Gross turnover. What is the word used? It are never used for human beings. It मतलब what, sir? Artificial person. Here it is nothing but company. It is nothing but company. It's मतलब if it is C you are considering, then take C. A है तो A, S है तो है, H है तो S. मतलब whichever company you are considering, that company you should talk about. Or total income. Here also interpretation issues will come. What are those? First I will show you what could be the interpretation issues. Now D4 I am reading from Veritex. Has any other pecuniary transaction or relationship with the company or its subsidiary. Now this is how they write, sir. I wrote cash. Now you can see this is how lawmakers wrote. Has none of whose relatives, ऊपर you can see the word none of whose relatives, D wala, none of whose relatives has any other pecuniary transaction or relationship with the company, its subsidiary, its holding or associate company amounting to 2% or more of its gross turnover or total income singly or in combination with the transaction referred to in subclause number 1, 2, 3. Wow. Now here what points I wanted to tell you, sir. Now my question is, ये जो 2% or more of gross turnover is, so this 2% you should apply only for gross turnover or 2% of total income also. Now sir, this will lead to absurdity. Now can I say gross turnover, मतलब gross turnover, मतलब whatever is the turnover of the company, sir. No expenses are deducted. Total income, we have already seen in Income Tax Act definition also how you arrive at gross total income, then total income, sir. We are talking about total income. Expenses gaya, deductions gaya, then we have total income. Now anyway, the word total income is nowhere defined in Companies Act, sir. We are just trying to understand, sir. Can I say always your gross turnover will be higher, total income will be lower? So 2% of gross turnover or 2% of total income, फालतू point will be. So here 2% should be applied only to gross turnover, not to totaling. That is what I wanted to show you. This is how I presented in my material. Sir, bare act से when you read, things will be thoda complicated. If you see here point wise presentation, sir, reading becomes easy. So none of whose relative have any other pecuniary transaction or relationship. किसके साथ? Cash के साथ. Amounting to कितना? 2% or more of its gross turnover or total income singly. Singly मतलब क्या, sir? Only this transaction or this transaction with 1, 2, 3. 1, 2 and 3 मतलब ऊपर 1, 2, 3 you have done, no? वो तीनों मिलाओ प्लस ये वाला भी मिलाओ, दोनों को मिलाओ, then check करो whether it is 2% or more of the gross turnover. Answer is yes. Relative has done this. Very good. Appointee, you cannot become independent. Bhagwan, Bhagwan, Bhagwan. Sir, how you can write this, sir? This is simple, ma. Relative. What he is doing, sir? Pecuniary relationship he is having, मतलब maybe rental income he is receiving, plus D का 1 he has done. What is D का 1? Security or interest. D का 2 he has done, indebtedness. D का 3 has done, that is guarantee or security. Where? In the company, sir. सर ये सब मिलाकर what it should be sir, less than 2% or मतलब if it is amounting to 2% or more, if answer is 2% or more of किसका, gross turnover or total income. Now again here the word you should use is whichever is lower, rule of harmonious construction, because we are trying to calculate limits. Whichever is lower, whatever amount comes sir, sir, if you have done higher of this amount, if you have done higher, imagine if it is coming here 100, if you have done 101, disqualified. Sir, less than that and 100 or less than that, then you are qualified. Okay, again example we have to take. Sir, one more point sir, did we go past 2 years also? Answer is no. Here we are looking only for that year. In D1, D2, D3, if you see, last 2 years also is seen, current year also it is seen, but in this case only that year. Sir, this answer you will understand more if I take one example. So let me take one example sir. D4, case study number 1. Let's see what is signed. Amarendra holding 50 lakhs worth of security in Zoom Limited. 50 lakhs security he is holding. Very good. Also he is indebted to Zoom for 49.5 lakhs. Nice. He has provided security or guarantee for 49.5 lakhs to Zoom Limited in connection to goods supplied by Zoom to Mr. Kattappa. Cool. Amarendra is also receiving 1 crore per annum from Zoom. Dhoom Machale, Dhoom Limited is a holding company of Zoom Limited. Gross turnover of Zoom is 100 crore. Total income of Zoom is 4 crore. Mr. Amar is son of Amarendra. Okay sir, nice. Can Amar become ID in Zoom Limited? Now here do not apply extra brains ma, answer your question with very specific to clause number D plus subclause number 4. Now apply brains sir. Can I say D1 was talking about security oblique interest? Sir, up to 50 lakhs was allowed, but here he is up to 50 lakhs it was allowed. If you can, I just want to show you once, you can see here. Here you can see enough 50 lakhs or less is allowed. More than 50 lakhs only disqualified. So here if you can see question mein he gave exactly 50 lakhs. So did Amarendra security or interest in Zoom, did he? Now who wants to appoint sir? Amar. So can I say we have to see clause D. Amar ka relative is Amarendra. So can I say Amarendra has done D1 wala transaction? What is D1 wala transaction? Security or interest. But did he violate it? No. So D1 is satisfied. When it will get violated? If it is more than 50 lakhs. Okay, nice. Second, Amarendra has done D2 wala transaction. What is D2 wala transaction? Indebtedness, correct? He is indebted to Zoom for how much? 49.5. If you remember, we concluded 50 lakhs or more. Iska matlab less than 50 lakhs it should be. Isliye 49.5. Did he satisfy D2? Amarendra has done D3 wala transaction. There also 50 lakhs or more disqualified. इसलिए he has done only 49. D3 did he qualify? Yes. इसका मतलब you have satisfied D1, D2, D3. Should I say that Amar you can become an independent director? No. Can I say देवों का देव महादेव D4 has come? मतलब till now student has scored 40 marks now. Now we are seeing aggregate. है ना sir, whether you have scored that golden number of 200 or not sir. So 40s, 45, 45 ऐसा individual paper तो you have cleared. Now let us see whether whole group you have cleared or not. That whole group cleared or not will be told by your D4. Now what is D4 saying sir? D4 में what you have to check is D1 का transaction plus D2 का transaction plus D3 का transaction. Now I am very bad at mathematics. इसलिए I have chosen very simple numbers. 50, 49.5, 49.5. Can I say 50, 50 will be 1 lakh? Sorry, 1 crore. देखो, I told ना very bad at maths sir. 1 crore में से you have to remove 1 lakh. तो इसका मतलब it is 99 lakhs. ये 50 lakhs. 99 plus 50, if I'm not wrong, is 149 lakhs or 1.49 CR. Okay, so ये D1, D2, D3 is 1.49 CR plus, can I say D4 में he has done additional pecuniary transaction. What is that, sir? Amarendra is receiving 1 crore as rental income from Zoom. Can I say ये भी तो एक pecuniary transaction है? Yes. How much? 1 crore. So totally 2.49 crores का transaction has happened. Now, whether D4 is satisfied or not, उसके लिए we have a limit, sir. What is the limit, sir? You have to see 2% or more of the turnover, sir. Turnover कितना है बच्चा? 100 करोड़. 100 करोड़ का 2% is how much? 2 crores. 2 crores or 4 crores, whichever is lower. So how much is the lower? 2 crores. इसका मतलब D1, D2, D3, D4 should be 2 crores or lesser, but here it is more than 2 crores. फसक है. So देख लो उधर. Can Amar become? Answer is no. Amar's relative Amarendra, that is father, is holding security within the limits. D1 satisfied, D2 satisfied, D3 satisfied, but aggregate gone, D4 gone. PR मतलब that rent plus a all 4 transaction is 2.49, but limit is how much? 2% of gross turnover, which is 2% of gross turnover, which is 100 crores, or total income 4 crores, whichever is lower. So I did this last May. What we got is 2 crores. Can I say 2 crores is the limit, but you have done 2.49, which is more than the limit. D4 is violated. Hence, Mr. Amar, you cannot become independent director in Amarendra. Clear hai bacha? Now, cool, sir. Second question is also there. Can Amar become in Dhoom? Can I say stupid question? Here we are talking about cash. We are also talking about cash only, not DP. DP is not covered here. So can I say answer will be same? No. So Amar cannot become in Dhoom also. No, Mr. Amarendra has PR more than the prescribed in Dhoom's subsidiary. Who is Dhoom's subsidiary? Zoom. Why did I say Zoom? Can I say nowadays Zoom is doing very Dhoom in the market? So you can see Zoom meetings are happening more. So that's the reason I thought, chalo, let's take example in today's world only. In fact, he cannot be appointed as an independent director in associate subsidiary of what? Zoom. Clear? So this ends one case study. Last case study, and I'm concluding the video. So I'm seeing the time, sir. It is 1.5 hours. Maybe 10 minutes. We will cover this. Next. So answer the questions considering the following question. Case study number 2. This will blast your mind like anything. So samajh kar. Amarendra. So there is Zoom. Okay. Amarendra holds 50 lakhs worth of security. Okay. That is D1. Security or interest? No, D1. So okay. Security or interest. Also he is indebted to Zoom. Can I say D2? 50 lakhs or more it is less than that only. So D1 is also not violated, D2 is also not violated. He has provided security. He matlab Amarendra provided security for 49 lakhs. There it was 49.5. Here it is 49 lakhs. To Dhoom. So iska matlab D1, D2 he has done with Zoom. D3, what is D3, sir? Security he has done with Dhoom in connection to goods supplied by Dhoom to Mr. Kattappa. Can I say Amarendra Bahubali? That is an example, sir. Amarendra receives rent of 1 crore from Dhoom. Matlab, there in previous example, all 4 he did with one company only. Here, 2 with one company, 2 with another company. Now, this is how you have to understand provisions, sir. Dhoom Limited is a holding company of Zoom Limited. Okay. So gross turnover of Zoom is 100 crores. Total income is that thing, sir. Gross turnover of Dhoom is 120 and this 5 crores, sir. Amar is. Question is, can Amar become ID in Zoom? Now here, if you apply, you have to calculate this separately for Zoom also, for Dhoom also. Okay. Now let us see. I have already done, sir. D1 S/I. 50 lakhs was the limit, sir. More than 50 lakhs, up to 50 lakhs, less than that was allowed. There it was 50 lakhs. Is this violated or not violated? Not violated. is simple ma, what we have to see D1 में are we looking for our transaction or relative transaction or relative, who is getting appointed Amar, तो अमर का we will not check है ना, अमरेंद्र का we will check, इसलिए ऊपर all questions में अमरेंद्र is doing the transaction, तो अमरेंद्र has done D1 D2 with whom, Zoom. अमरेंद्र has done D3 and D4 with whom, Zoom. इसलिए आई एम कैलकुलेटिंग इंडिविजुअली. ओके, देखो S1 नॉट वायलेटेड, S2 नॉट वायलेटेड, D1 not violated, D2 not violated, D3 not done only, no violation, D4 is not there only, or even if you can still no violation, I am using a word sir, so you can still do calculation if required, we can find out, no issue sir. Okay, then we will see no violation matlab he has not done any other PR, he has not done any other PR, whatever he has done is about 2 only sir. Okay, so D4 का answer you will get from workings. S1 no transaction, no violation, no transaction, no violation. D3 he has done. What was the D3 sir? Indirect indebtedness. How much? 49 lakhs. What is the limit? 50 lakhs or more. So no violation sir. D4 let us see here. Okay, now sir, what was the limit sir? 2% of gross turnover or total income, whichever is low. Now D1 D2 yellow mark, why? Because these two are only there, D3 D4 नहीं है. सबका टोटल कितना आया बच्चा? 99.5 सर. Can I say this was 50, this was 49.5, 99.5. So 2% of gross total turnover, which was 100 crores sir. So 2% of that sir, or 4 crores, whichever is lower. Obviously 2 crores is the. Now tell me, total transaction you have done is how much? 99.5. 2 crores is the limit, you have done less than that all. So इसका मतलब you have fulfilled Zoom वाला criteria. Same thing we will see for Zoom also sir. Can I say here only D3 D4 has happened sir? Can I say this was 49 lakhs and this was 1 crore, 1.49, उसका 120 crores was the gross total turnover in the question, if you can see sir. Zoom का gross turnover is 120 crores. Yes, you have to see for Zoom only sir. I told you respective company only you have to see. So here 120 crores or 5 crores, whichever is lower. So last में it will be 2% of 120 crores you have taken. So it is 2.5, 4 crores. 2.4 crores is the limit, but you have done only 1.49. You did not do violation of D4 also. So इसका मतलब, can Amar become ID in Zoom? Yes. Why? Amar has done transaction but within the limits. He has fulfilled, sorry, Amrendra has done transaction but within the limits. So इसका मतलब relative did not violate D1 D2 D3 D4. Good, relative did not violate D1 D2 D3 D4 with respect to Zoom also. इसका मतलब Amar can become independent director. So in both the cases my answer would be yes. Answer 1 and 2 के लिए yes, he can become ID in both Zoom and Zoom. So what is the conclusion you have to understand now? The conclusion here is very simple. कि ये जो transactions you are seeing now, it's मतलब respective company you have to take. So say for example, you may have transactions with individual company also, but if it is less than 2% or total income, that is allowed, no issue at all. So respective company के साथ we are checking this limit sir. If you can fulfill, then इसका मतलब no problem. So can I say D4 is to be interpreted in this manner. Now many people and they interpret in different manner only. No criticism sir. Sir, maybe tomorrow I may interpret things in a wrong manner. I am not saying I am top turum etc. But thing is what sir, sometimes when you know things thoda better, you will be feeling very happy. That is what in this case I am sir. Anyway, so not to say anything wrong sir, everyone is good with respect to this thing sir. Now so with this we conclude D1 D2 D3 D4 and E3. तो इसी के साथ आज की सभा समाप्त हुई. तो एक बार if you want to look into things in a charter manner sir, here what are the points you should see sir? Sir D1 में, D2 में, D3 में, all these 3 cases में current year last 2 years you checked. Even in clause C also, current year last 2 years you checked. Can I say one similarity you found? So C में, D में, what is the similarity, sir? Current year plus last 2 years you check, sir. Clear, nice, no issues, sir. Sir, C में और D में, what is the similarity you found, sir? Cash word is used everywhere. This similarity you found. Sir, C में additional thing what you found, sir? Their directors, their promoters. Did you find DP here? No. Did you find DP here? Yes. इसीलिए I have put green color mark here. So wherever the word cash DP is getting repeated, that is green color mark here. है ना? Sir, here it was cash. Then it was P of cash. P of cash मतलब promoter of cash, director of holding. Such holding company was the word used. Sir, here DP was missing. And here one strange thing was only current year, not for last 2 years you are talking. Okay. So now we have to only interpret है ना E1, E2 and E4, which are not that difficult, sir. Most difficult part we have covered, which was clause number D. So next class may we will dedicate to clause number E, sir. So maybe that will also take around 1 hour, 1.5 hours, sir. For that also we have beautiful case studies. So stay tuned, sir. So if you like this video, please pass your comments by giving some valuable comments, sir, so that this motivates me for next video. And please share this video with your near and dear friends, sir, who are writing your CA final or who are into practice. Can I say these are such things which you have to apply in your real world also, sir. Okay, so thank you very much, ma. Stay tuned for more videos on our YouTube channel, and ensure that you are taking care of yourself also and your family. Jai Hind, sir. Thank you very much.